How to delete a Temu account. Hey guys, in this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Temu account. If you no longer wish to use it and want to remove it permanently, deleting your Temu account is a straightforward process that can be just done in few simple steps. To get started, open up the Temu app, then tap on the U button at the bottom center of the screen. Once you are on this page, scroll down and tap on Settings. Then you need to click on Account Security. Here you will see an option of Delete your Temu account. Click on it. Then you need to check the box, I want to permanently delete my Temu account and all its data. Once you have done, tap Continue and continue the process. Click on Delete. Verify your identity. Then you need to click on Confirm. They will receive your request to permanently delete your account and you will be automatically signed off your account and it will be deleted in 7 business days. If you wish to cancel the request, you may sign in to cancel the request and keep your account. Click on Confirm. This is exactly how you can delete your Temu account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.